Welcome back, fellow coders. In this video tutorial, we'll proceed and set up our Xcode project. So we'll create a new project. It's going to be a single view, and we'll call it weather. So you can call it whatever you like. We'll select Swift and iPhone. And I'm going to put this on my desktop with everything else. So the first thing that we need to do is we'll add a new class. We'll add a new file. We'll click on Swift and we'll name this weathergetter. We'll define a class called weathergetter, and within we'll add a function called getWeather, which will take one parameter Let's go ahead and add some private variables here. And that's going to be our base URL. I'm just going to copy and paste that here. We'll also add another variable where we will store our API key. And remember, this is my key, that's why it's blurred out. But remember to put your own key there. If you don't remember what to get that from, remember all we have to do is go back to the API keys on your account. So the next thing we'll need to do is start a simple networking task. We'll create another variable, and this is going to be our whole string for the request. And I just copy and paste that. And if we have a URL, we're going to define our session with a share. We'll add URL, string, that's going to be data, response, and error. And if we have an error here, we'll print that to the console. Else, if it's not an error, then we can go ahead and use that data. And down here, we need to do task resume. Okay, now in our view controller, we'll declare a variable here. We'll call it weather. And then we'll call that one method and provide the city. Let's go ahead and run it and see what we get. So you notice that we are getting this app transport security, and it's blocking this HTTP request. So in order to get data back, we need to add a row. And allow arbitrary loads. We'll click yes, and let's try to run it again. And now we get some data. This proxy errors, don't worry about that. That's because I'm running the simulator. I'm sure you can get rid of them, but I ran it on an actual device and I didn't get these errors. So we have 450 bytes of data, and that's good. We're not getting any errors. In the next video, we'll be doing JSON deserialization. It will actually print the data to the console so we can see how it looks like. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and remember to code with a purpose. Thank you for watching.